Best tricep workouts. Hey there fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic in store for you. Get ready to discover the best tricep workouts for toned and strong arms. Having well-defined triceps not only adds to your overall physique but also plays a crucial role in enhancing your strength and functionality. So, whether you're looking to rock those sleeveless tops or boost your athletic performance, these tricep workouts are perfect for you. Before we jump into the workouts, let's quickly understand the importance of targeting your tricep muscles. The triceps brachii, or triceps, are a group of muscles located on the back of your upper arms. They are responsible for elbow extension and play a significant role in various pushing and pulling movements. Alright, let's dive right into the best tricep workouts that will help you achieve those sculpted and strong arms you've always wanted. Warm-up routine before tricep workout. Before diving into your tricep workout, it's crucial to warm up the muscles to prepare them for the upcoming exercises and reduce the risk of injury. A warm-up routine can include exercises like arm circles, shoulder rolls, and light stretching. Spend 5 to 10 minutes warming up to increase blood flow and loosen up the tricep muscles. Close grip bench press. The close grip bench press targets the triceps while also engaging the chest and shoulders. Lie on a flat bench and grip the barbell with your hands placed closer together than shoulder width apart. Lower the barbell to your chest while keeping your elbows tucked in, and then press it back up. Focus on maintaining proper form and feeling the tension in your triceps. Dips. Dips are a challenging bodyweight exercise that primarily targets the triceps. Find parallel bars or use dip bars, supporting your body weight with your arms fully extended. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your upper arms are parallel to the ground, then push back up. You can modify the intensity by bending your knees or using an assisted dip machine. Overhead tricep press. The overhead tricep press targets the triceps and also engages the shoulders. Stand or sit with a dumbbell or barbell held overhead, with your elbows bent and forearms positioned behind your head. Extend your arms upward until they are fully straightened, focusing on the contraction in your triceps. Lower the weight back down with control and repeat. Tricep pushdowns. Tricep pushdowns are commonly performed using a cable machine. Stand facing the cable machine with your feet shoulder width apart and a slight bend in your knees. Grasp the cable attachment with an overhand grip and position your elbows close to your sides. Push the cable down by fully extending your elbows, squeezing your triceps at the bottom of the movement, and then slowly return to the starting position. Skull crushers. Skull crushers, also known as lying tricep extensions, primarily target the long head of the triceps. Lie on a bench with a barbell or dumbbell in hand, arms extended above your chest. Lower the weight toward your forehead by bending your elbows, keeping your upper arms stationary. Extend your arms back up to the starting position, focusing on the contraction in your triceps. Tricep dips. Tricep dips can be performed on parallel bars or using a dip station. Support your body weight with your arms fully extended, gripping the bars. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your upper arms are parallel to the ground, and then push back up. Focus on squeezing your triceps at the top of the movement. And there you have it, our top 5 tricep workouts that will help you achieve those toned and strong arms. Incorporate these exercises into your workout routine, and you'll be well on your way to flaunting those impressive triceps. Remember, consistency and proper form are key to seeing results. Start with a weight or intensity level that challenges you but allows you to maintain good form throughout the exercises. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workout routines. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep pushing your limits, stay dedicated, and keep those triceps strong and defined. Looking for more amazing workout tips? Check out our previous video on effective core exercises for a strong and sculpted midsection. And don't forget to visit our website for exclusive content and training programs to help you reach your fitness goals.